बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नहमदहू व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। My dear super subscribers, well wishers and viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My dear viewers, today I am going to share with you the method and the recipe of making milkshake. This is very simple and easily you can make it. For this, the ingredients that we need will be the mango, that is cut and chopped in small cubes like this. Then you may need almonds for garnishing purpose. Then you may add any syrup that you like and that is available in your part of the world. Then you may add honey or sugar, anything that is of your choice. You need milk, and then this is full cream milk, and then the ice. So here I would like to say that the variety of mango that I have selected is Sindhri variety, and this is grown in Sindh province of Pakistan in Mirpur Khas district. Kachalo farms in Mirpur Khas district are the largest growers of this fruit. This fruit has very unique qualities. There you can see that the color here that is yellow, but here this is red yellow color. The color is very fine. In the same way, another property that I would like to discuss with you is that you look at this. So you can see there are tiny holes. These holes were made because the air in the mango should escape. So for this, because of the reason that if you don't do even this, then if you are keeping this fruit for a longer period, then what will happen that the air that will escape from here and this mango fruit that will shrink, and there will be no difference in the taste. You can still consume it. So this is a very unique quality of this mango that is not available in any other mango in the world. If you keep other mango and it gets full ripe, then it will be not of in use. You cannot use that because it will be destroyed. But in this mango case variety, this will shrink and there will be no damage to this fruit. So this mango is also known as the king of the fruits. Therefore, this is the recipe that I wanted to share with you. Coming to the method is very simple. What you have to do is that first of all you have to cut the mango in the small cubes like this, and then you have to add this in the mixer. I am pouring it in the mixer, and then here you may use honey or sugar. So here I am adding little bit of sugar. In the description box I will let you know in what quantity what things are to be used. And then when you have done this, then you have to add the milk. So, and here I am adding milk also. And the ice that will be also added in this. Here I wanted to share with you is that if you are keeping the mango cubes in the refrigerator and the milk also in the refrigerator, then you don't need to add the ice. So therefore here I am not adding ice, and you have to keep the mango and milk in the refrigerator so that it gets cool, and you don't need to put ice in that. So when you have done this, then you have to mix it, and when this is done, then when it's complete, then you may pour it in some glass and garnish it with the almonds and serve it. This is very delicious and refreshing. So this is the simple and the easy method, and here you may add, if you want to get some more taste, then you may add the syrup of your choice in that also. This will also give a unique and good different taste. So this was a recipe that I wanted to share with you. My dear viewers, if you like the video, if you like the recipe, then kindly press the like button, share it with someone, subscribe my channel. Your comments are always welcome in the comments box section, and press the bell icon so that the upcoming video notification is received to you well in time. Thank you very much for your watching the video. Thank you very much for your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.